There he is at the bottom, guys. Professor Oak level max. That's it. You guys asked for this. Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPO Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Well, guys, Professor Oak has reached his maximum level as of his current level cap, and I got some questions from you guys as to how to exactly increase his level cap. And when we go to Professor Oak, he needs custom Tectonics. Where do you get these custom Tectonics, guys? You don't get them in Explore, you don't get them training area. Where do you get them? There's no custom Tectonics here in single player event, co-op player event. You guys have been asking, and I hope this helps you. You go to missions, guys. Event, Professor Oak and Mew special missions. And here, you can get your custom voucher force. You can get your custom Tectonics. You can get your custom training machines. Now, you have to... I think this Professor Oak thing is a very, very tricky thing because it actually requires you to use him a lot. Especially, you know, when you go to the further missions. As you can see, 95 missions. 95 of them. And you are kind of required to use them a lot of times. 70 times, blah, blah, blah. Even after using them, learn a move is basically default there. But look, deal a cumulative total of 1,000 damage. Deal a cumulative amount or damage 100,000 damage using Professor Oak and Mew. And that is pretty challenging for someone of level 40. You want Professor Oak as high as possible. Use a sync move. Sync move, I think, no need for Professor Oak. Just use it on any area. Use a move with the designated sync pair, Psychic. So just use Psychic type Pokemon. You don't need to use Professor Oak and Mew as of those. Let's see how many of these actually require Professor Oak and Mew. Very, very tricky mission here. Complete designated area. Any tech type team member. So guys, I think that's the most challenging thing, which is to use Professor Oak, and deal a cumulative total of 100,000 damage. And the easiest way to do this is actually to level up, especially when you're in auto mode and you're using your super strong characters together with a weak Professor Oak. You want to level Professor Oak as high as you can so that Professor Oak actually attacks. So that, you know, when you're in auto, you just place your phone to the side, just press when the battle's over, just press battle again or something like that. And yeah, so basically this kind of defeats or is against how we used to do our missions before, which is to finish all the missions together. We can't do that for this Professor Oak and Mew. And with that said, I think we have to actually complete or, you know, just press claim on these missions. So we finished 10 out of 95 using Professor Oak and Mew 10 times, level up to 20, level up to 40, complete an area. This is just a normal battle. 1 time, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, 15 times. Use a sync move, any Pokemon, complete designated area, any area 10 times. So with that said, claim all. And we got several gems, guys. These gems, oh! Guys, I'm sorry, I think I accidentally claimed the gems of the next mission, the strongest there is. Oh well, guys, it's okay. But for Professor Oak and Mew, that's it. We collected those custom vouchers. We collected those custom whatever items we collected. And with that said, let's just level up or unlock his level cap right now. Going to Professor Oak and Mew. Where are you? You're missing. You're missing. You're missing. I am kind of blind. There you go. Professor Oak and Mew, we have 60 of these custom tectonics. We're going to unlock his level cap.
I can't let these youngsters get ahead of me now, can I?
255. Unlocking to 70.
I can't let these youngsters get ahead of me now, can I?
And we don't have enough. Custom Great Tectonics. We have to collect 20, and that means finishing those missions again. Let's just confirm that we can actually get custom Great Tectonics here. So scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. There you go, guys. Custom Great Tectonics. Complete an area with a battle 20 times. I'm 18 out of 20, which will probably happen very soon. And when we learn moves and skills, you want to also learn moves and skills with Professor Oak. So going down, scrolling down, where the heck is Professor Oak? Level 40. There you go, guys. What we need are these custom training machines. Let's learn it right now.
This move should prove to be quite useful.
A World of Dreams is very interesting. It actually sharply raises, that means +2 special attack, and +3 or +4, I'm not exactly sure, users attack defense, special defense, speed, accuracy, or evasiveness. My goodness, it's a random thing. Oak's research replaces some of the user's moves with different moves after using a sync move. Interesting. Haven't exactly tried this. Haven't exactly used Professor Oak. I'm curious about this. Super duper effective is nice. It powers up moves that are super effective. Unfortuitous 9. Lowers the target's attack, defense, special attack, special defense, speed, or accuracy, or evasiveness when at random when an attack is successful. I read that a while ago as unsuccessful, but apparently it's when successful. So this is a really tricky character to use. And why should I learn Unfortuitous 9? When can I just ignore that and not learn that? Probably you need to learn that in the missions, guys. But I don't want to do this. I don't want to learn Unfortuitous 9. It's worthless. Right? Right? Or does it have a special effect? What do you think, guys? But in the meantime, let's learn a World of Dreams. Yes.
This move should prove to be quite useful.
There you go. Let's learn or let's unlock his level cap right now. 2 more battles, guys. Just go to training area. Let's just do anything else here. Let's just go. Oh my gosh, so many messages. Okay. Let's just do normal. Easiest. Easiest, fastest way to do it. Let's just finish this quickly. You know what? Let's try and do some damage.
How could this be? I really would have won if I wore cuter clothes.
That was a good battle. Our Pokemon gave it their best.
And one more battle, guys, just to unlock our level cap.
Brace yourself.
Ooh, sync or chance. No chance to do that. Swift.
How could this be?
Go!
I really would have won if I wore cuter clothes.
That was a good battle. Our Pokemon gave it
Guys,
their
that
best.
was 20 battles. Or 2 battles to make 18 into 20. So Let's just finish this. Check out our missions if we actually accomplish anything. And we kind of unlock a lot. Complete a normal. Oh, a course on normal. So we get some custom vouchers. We learn a move. We dealt 1000 damage. We completed 20 times. We get our custom Great Tectonics already. So claim all. We got this. Going to shop, let's just drop by and check what items we can exchange. So what we can exchange here are just power-ups. Nothing else, guys. So now we have 20 custom Great Tectonics. Let's just go to unlock a level cap. Go to Professor Oak, who is at level 40 right now. And there you have it, guys. Unlocking him to level 85.
I can't let these youngsters get ahead of me now, can I?
And there you have it. Now to continue, you need to finish stuff again in order to get enough items to level or to unlock his level cap to 100. In the meantime, I am going to just use some level up manuals to boost his level all the way up to 85. You know what, guys? Let's just skip this. Tap.
Ha! We've still got it, don't we?
I like his stats. Very, very, very evenly distributed. Everything is the same. That is so cool. And yeah, unlock level cap, but we don't have enough items for that. So with that said, I hope you found this video helpful, guys. That's it. Just go to missions. Just try and finish your missions to get those items. And yeah, just continue hoarding, playing, farming, whatsoever term you want to describe that. And I hope you guys get Professor Oak to his maximum potential, maximum capacity. Good luck! And good luck also with Steven, you know, the best there is story event. There's also some stuff to collect there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video.